Hi, today I'm gonna do an unboxing of the new 400 f4.5 from Nikon for the mirrorless cameras. First of all, I'm a little sorry for my language because I am from Mexico and I love doing this and I do a lot of Spanish things, but I think they don't have the same reach, but that's why I'm doing it in English too for my United States audience. So first we have the warranty card and the manuals. Then we have our lens pouch. We can see it here. It's a little longer, like from the 70 to 200, sorry. And then we have this, the important thing, the lens itself. So I'm gonna open this up and we can see we have a little foamy here. And let's take it out and we have the lens here. So we're gonna take this piece out, okay? We have the lens and we also have the hood here. So we're gonna take this aside and first the lens, we take this out, we take this out, and now we have it right here, okay? This is a light lens, really light. It's lighter than the 70 to 200 C, really light, really. Maybe some of you will have a heart attack. It is a really light lens. I can't stress that enough. We have here the control ring. This ring you can customize it in the camera. You can change the ISO or shutter speed. You have the focus ring too, the function 2 ring, the buttons, the S sign that is really nice in here. And you also have the function 1 here. You have the switches from autofocus to manual focus. Okay guys, there you have it. This is the fast unboxing because my camera is running out of battery. So I'm gonna do a lot of more of reviews of this against the 7200 with teleconverter and image quality, sorry. And stay tuned. I'm sorry for my English, but I have a lot of images and a lot of fun with you. Thank you very much. Follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.